Welcome. Have you ever wondered how to convert text to audio for lessons or any other purpose? To achieve this, you can use an application called Human Voice, which allows you to easily transform written content into spoken audio. To download this app, go to the Play Store and type Human Voice. I have already downloaded the app. You can check its previews. In my opinion, it's a very good and easy app to use, and it's much faster than most of the other apps I've found. Now, navigate to where you have written your text. I have written my text in my notes like this. Highlight all the text and click on Copy. Then, navigate to the Human Voice application. Alternatively, you can type whatever text you want to convert directly in this app. Firstly, you need to choose a language from the drop-down list. If you know the language you want, you can either search for it or scroll down to view all the available options. As you can see, there are many languages available. For this tutorial example, let's use English, UK. English, UK has several voices to choose from its drop-down list. I usually select Male 1 voice. Now, paste or write your text in the Write Text dialog. You can enter up to 1,500 bytes, so be sure not to exceed this limit. When you're done, click on Next. To test the voice, simply click on Preview Audio. I focus on creating automated Excel workbooks for. You will need to watch ads in order to download the full voice. You can only download after watching the ads, and they cannot be skipped.
Mobile apps, I wish I knew earlier, but well. Let's go. If you want to easily schedule, automate, and auto-send WhatsApp messages, SMS, and emails, Skedit is for you.
Click on Reward Granted, and then you can play the audio here. I focus on creating automated Excel workbooks. No worries. To find your audio, navigate to the destination folder. As you can see, I have created many audio files, but the latest one hasn't been renamed. You can play it with any music player on your phone. Renaming it will help you find it more easily, so let's rename it. To rename the audio, all you need to do is long press on the audio file you want to rename. Then, click on More in the bottom right corner and select Rename. Now you can enter your desired name. Now, let's go back to Human Voice. As you can see, we have plenty of languages, and each language has a variety of voices. Some have many options, while others have just a few. Thank you for your time. This is how I convert text to audio. If you find it helpful, make sure to subscribe and share the link.